All right, welcome back for another video on rational operations. Let's go ahead and get started. So for the first one, it says 4 1/3 divided by 1 3/4. So we don't actually divide fractions, we will multiply by the reciprocal. But before we do anything, we have to convert this to improper fractions. 4 1/3 becomes 3 times 4 is 12, so this becomes 13/3. And 1 3/4 becomes 7/4. When we want to multiply by the reciprocal, it's the second one you flip, not the first. Kids either flip the first or they flip both. So 13/3 times 4 is 7. And so 13 times 4. And then 10 is 40. 12, so 52. Better double check. Yep. Okay. So 52 over 21. 21 is divisible by 3. And it's also divisible by 7. But 52 doesn't work that way. I'm going to leave it 52 over 21. Because there's nothing that can go into both of them without a remainder. If your teacher prefers you to leave it as an improper, then you'd have to go 52 divided by 21. Okay, for the next one, we're going to multiply. We don't need a common denominator, but what we have to do is either use an area model or we can convert to improper fractions. So, for instance, the last one I did improper fractions, I'm going to show you the area model. So you'll just multiply. 4 and 1 gives you 4. One group of 1/3 is just 1/3. 4 groups of 3/4 is 3, because 4 times 3 is 12. 12 divided by 4 gives you 3. And then the 1/3 times 3/4 is 3/12, which gives you 1/4. Simplifies to 1/4, sorry. So now I'm going to add all 4 of those. 4 plus 3 is 7. So 7 plus 1/3 plus 1/4. My denominator will be 12. Because I have to add. You need a common denominator. Now 3 became 12 by multiplying it by 4. So I multiply the numerator and the denominator by 4 over 4, which is really just 1. Then this becomes 3/12. So now I ended up with 4/12 plus 3/12 is 7/12. And don't forget about the whole number. So you ended up with 7 and 7/12. All right, the last one for this example, we're going to subtract, but before we do anything, we need a common denominator. So your options are to list the multiples, and then which you did skip counting in elementary, and then you'll determine that the common denominator is 24. 3 became 24 by 8, so that means I'll multiply 8 and 1. 8 became 24 by 3, so that becomes 15. Okay, so in this problem, you can't take 15 24s from 8 24s. So what you'll do is you'll take one whole from the 6 and you'll add that whole to 8 24. 24 over 24 is just 1. So it becomes 32. Wait. Yes. 32 over 24. So all I did is I knew that 15 couldn't be taken from 8 because it's 15 24s. If it was integers, that'd be fine. It'd be a -7. So what I had to do was take 1 away from the whole number, and that 1 that I took away, I added to the 8 24. So 24 over 24 really just means 1 because, think about it, it's 24 divided by 24. And when you divide something by itself, it gives you 1. So I added the 1, except I went ahead and got the common denominator while I was at it. Now I can take away 15 from 32. That gives me 17 24s. And then 5 minus 2 is 3. All right, well, I hope this helped. Thanks for watching.